Every school day begins with one simple but critical task: taking attendance. When done manually, it becomes slow, inconsistent, and difficult to monitor across a large educational ecosystem. We have built a national digital attendance system for all educational institutions and all grades, bringing consistency and transparency to schools across the country. Instead of manual registers, every institution, from early childhood to secondary and vocational levels, records attendance in real time through a simple digital interface. Automated validation prevents errors, highlights missing submissions, and ensures accurate data every day. Schools access clear dashboards showing their submission status and attendance history, while administrators at regional and national levels gain instant visibility into which institutions have submitted and where gaps exist. With analytics, automated reporting, and secure role-based access, the system supports planning, resource allocation, and data-driven decision-making. Sensitive information remains protected, and each user receives exactly the access they need. By digitizing attendance nationwide, this platform reduces administrative workload, strengthens compliance, and provides reliable, high-quality attendance data across all educational institutions. Modern, efficient, and built for the future of education. nVisionIT, engineering excellence powering the digital evolution of education.